So Mr. Mayappan has been charged for session.
You see, I already stated in the morning to a news channel that law will take its own course. Mr. Mayappan has already been suspended. So I have nothing further to add onto that. In addition, I think you must realize that various aspects, particular about even about the probe commission, these are in various courts. They're all sub judice. So I don't think it is proper for me to make any comment. Let law take its own course, fine. And we have got a press release which we have sent out with regard to the enforcement directorate's matter, which is available, which all of you can collect also. And I think that's all.
So once again, so with this charge sheet, there was a probe committee that was set up by the IPL. Do you think that whole thing has been...
Right. For your information, I think all of you should realize that the Honorable Supreme Court is seized of this matter. And I don't think, at least I am not going to make any comment, because this entire matter is before the Supreme Court.
Sir, since Gurunath Mayappan has been charged with leaking vital information, should the
I have not seen the charge sheet, and I will be asking the Secretary of the BCCI to take appropriate legal advice if he finds it necessary.
clause 11.3
I cannot respond to this because I tell you, how can I make a comment on this? Because this is a subject matter of a Supreme Court is going into this. So I do not know. See, do not ask me something which is already before courts.
So you step aside from the
Why should I step aside? I am not disqualified, please, and neither can you push me out. Okay?
ethically and morally.
Excuse me. This is a very, I have stated this earlier also. You have to understand that I am not disqualified. We have also stated very clearly that Gurunath Mayappan has done something right or wrong. He will face, the law will take its own course. I am not disqualified at all, and I don't see any reason. So, but unfortunately, the press has been, trying to take a position for a long time on this. I differ. I don't agree with you.
Gurunath Mayappan is a cricket enthusiast and not a...
That is what we have. See, it is for India Cements will establish it if necessary at the. See, I have already stated that. I don't go back on what I have said. And in any case, there is,